This homeowner had a very unfortunate circumstance on how he is in this position.
It looks like shingles blew off, and in the process, over time, it just weathered down the wood underneath the decking and it sank it in. Mr. Craighead is a very sweet man. He's a two-time veteran. It was heartbreaking that his agent, these adjusters, the contractors, no one helped him through this process efficiently and educationally.
My name is Dennis DeLong, and I'm with Owens Corning. I'm an area sales manager.
Luckily, we were able to partner with Owens Corning to get his roof fully donated. Owens Corning provided all their products. We donated the labor.
That is really our job, to make sure he is taken care of.
These guys put in their time and sacrifice a lot for our country. And so I'm just happy that I was able to be in the position I am to help him through our company in Owens Corning. Yeah, all of us here at Lifetime Quality Roofing and Owens Corning, thank you so much, Mr. Craighead.